Over the next couple of lessons, we'll be looking at a package in Python called LangChain. LangChain is a Python package, and also they have a JavaScript package. And what it allows you to do is easily interface with large language models, such as OpenAI's GPT-4. It has a range of different modules that we'll be exploring, such as Model I/O. Model I/O in this case means the inputs and outputs of our model. For the language model, that means looking at specific things such as prompt templates. So how can we add templates to give a language model the examples that we need? Also, as well as that, it looks at how can we use different types of models. So the ones that we'll be specifically using are chat models, and we'll go through an installation on how you can easily use chat models. Finally though, we need to get some structured data out of our large language models. It's important that we are able to extract structured data from large language models, rather than just being able to extract text. This is where output parsers will come in handy. We'll use these to extract serializable and deserializable objects from within Python using a package called Pydantic. You'll see that output parsers allow us to go beyond just simply extracting text. We'll be able to extract structured data from the LLM, which you can use in your applications. Chains are a first-class citizen in LangChain, and you'll be exploring how to use chains to create more complicated architectures when you're using a large language model. There's lots of different types of chains, and the reason why is that we can string these chains together to create lots of clever components when using large language models. We'll also look at things such as the retrievers section and looking at how we can load documents using text, for example, so loading CSV files or Markdown or PDF, and how we can split these files so that you can easily interact with them inside of LangChain. This is due to the fact that some of your documents might be quite long, and therefore we might need to do some sort of document splitting and document transformation. We'll also touch on the retriever section, which is how you can use different types of retrievers once you have ingested your documents to, retrieve and search for different types of results. You'll investigate memory, which is a way for you to store the chatbot history inside of your code. This will be very useful if you're building chatbot applications or any application where there is a required amount of memory that needs to happen across multiple components. There's also callbacks as well. So there's a range of different things that we can use LangChain for, all the way from prompting and also working with documents that are too large to fit into a single LLM request. We'll explore specifically chat models and work through prompt templates, looking at chains, retrieval methods, and much more.